so I'm gonna be 300% honest. This was not the video I had planned to do for this week, but I'm real tired. Okay, so I've been really productive all week long. Oh, but hi, my name's Pauline, I do things. Anywho, I have been really productive all week long, and yesterday was definitely by far my most productive day. I'm talking you, we
woke up, we meditated, we did some exercise. What else did we do? Laundry, dishes, cooked, cleaned, dogs, went for a run, edited a video.
What else did I do? I forget what I did. And then I made the mistake of staying up late to watch Elf. Also, the movie Elf, tell me it's not just Tarzan, but like Christmas themed. I'm just too tired, can't focus, my brain's not in that place today, and also it's Friday and this video goes up on goes up on Sunday. So usually those DIY art project type videos accumulate at least an hour's worth of footage, which is a lot to edit in like 24 hours. So today we are going to be putting up Christmas lights. I feel like on YouTube, especially with Vlogmas, people decorate and it's all like
aesthetic and like pleasing and like fun.
This is going to be the least aesthetic holiday decorating video on the planet. I'm going to be putting up Christmas lights, not outside. I just have to retrieve them outside. That's why we're outside, and that's why I'm dressed like a lumberjack in my Crocs that I've had since I was 13. That was a high kick. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. High kick. There, now I have some energy. Also, I put on makeup. Does your nose run when you put on makeup? Because my nose is just running like a faucet whenever I put on makeup. Very annoying. But we're outside because in this bucket here is where all the Christmas lights are that we'll be retrieving. And I thought, why not start the video outdoors? Also, it's 50 degrees out today in December. Yeah, so I'm gonna get lights out of the bucket and then we're gonna go in the house and we are going to put them up with tape. I told you it wasn't going to be aesthetic. But the nice part is it's about 3:30 now, so we have a solid hour and a half before it's dark out, which means
Christmas light reveal.
And you'll get to see them in all their, I was going to say glory, but I feel like that's a really overzealous word to describe them. But I'm going to switch to time lapse before I can't use my fingers, and we're going to gather up some Christmas lights, wrangle them together. Okay, I had to pause the time lapse. This is very important. I found a hornet's nest. How wicked awesome is that? I really want to bring this in my house. Okay, I froze the time lapse again. We have another hornet's nest. This one is festive, it has tinsel, so now I'm convinced that these can be Christmas decorations. This one's very impressive, to be honest. It's pretty big. Didn't think this video was going to be going into me removing dead hornet's nests, but I'm dressed for it, so. Look at my view here. Isn't it just, look at it, it's beautiful. Wow. Okay, so I have 2 hornet's nests now, and you can see there, that's a bag full of unopened Christmas lights. There's a pile like right here. I don't even know how many strands I have. I just grabbed as many as I could, and now I'm gonna get them into the house, see which ones work. I didn't know. Well, welcome to my living room. Here's my pile of lights. So we're gonna try out our lights. First one, we have lights. Look at that. Ah! Okay, so one works. Why does the Christmas lights get so tangled? Like, these are all neatly put in there in balls, yet here we are. Master has given Dobby a sock. Dobby is a free elf. These are my Harry Potter socks. There, that's more comfortable. Okay. Okay, we have our first not working lights. I know there's a way to fix them. I saw a TikTok on how to do it. Issue is I don't know where the fuses are. So, another no work. I had high hopes after the first one, and now I'm like, oh. Okay, there's the plug. Okay, found the plug, and they don't work. So our pile is dwindling, and so far we only have one that works. Keep your fingers crossed. Wow, here we go. Okay, hope. 2 strands of lights that work. Yes, victory. I don't know if this is 1 or 2 strands, but here we go. It is 2 strands, and one of them works. Okay, things are looking up, my dudes. Okay, come on, buddy, we believe in you. Yes, this means we have 4 strands that work. I have hope now. I have hope. Okay, so I am going to put these up, and of course I'll do a time lapse. Well, I'll check in with you after I put these up. How about that? How's that sound? Ugh. How's this for not good lighting? Okay, I'm officially done. My prediction was correct. It is now dark, and I would like to reveal the end product with the lights off. So 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Whoa, sorry. Festive. Ta-da! Here are my other lights. Oh, you can kind of see me because these other lights light me up. Sick. Fabulous. Fabulous. Okay, now let's see the other ones. Ta-da! More lights. Look at that. Festive. We digging it. We digging it. Okay. And I only had to go outside to get the lights. This is the lazy person's guide to Christmas lights. Just tape them on your windows. No one's gonna notice. Let's go see the back room. Ta-da! Final lights. Very fancy. Look at the dimension. Look at the range. Fabulous. And of course, our little tiny Christmas tree. Here, come on. Ta-da! It's our little Christmas tree. I look so red from the lights. But yeah, that is it. Subscribe if you want to see next Sunday shenanigans. If you decorated for the holidays, send me them in the stories on the Instagrams at Pauline Does Things. I will shower you in emojis. Like this video if you liked it. Comment down below anything. Okay, I'm gonna go now and make some dinner. Okay, bye. Bye. Happy holidays.